Water cycle!
Wow, rain has started.
Oh, I wanted to play more.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
We want to play today.
And now it has stopped.
I don't understand how this water comes down. Is there a shower in the sky?
Jimmy, there is no shower in the sky. You want to know how rain comes?
Yes, yes.
Let us see how it happens.
Why have you brought the sun and a jug of water?
Oh, I wanted to show you how rain happens.
Oh,
Let's put a mark on the water level of the jug. Let's go home now, and later we will see what happens to the water in the jug.
After 4 hours.
oh, water level has come down. Who has drunk it?
Nobody has drunk it. It has become water vapor because of the sun's heat. It is called evaporation. Let's follow these vapors.
When water turns into water vapor due to heat, it is called evaporation.
Let me show you something. You know, nobody can see these water vapors as they are too small. But we can see these because of our magic wand.
Oh, there are a lot of water vapors coming from all around.
Yes, water vapors are like hot air. When air becomes hot, it goes up.
When air becomes hot, it goes up.
Oh, it is so cold here.
Here are warm clothes for us. As you go up, weather becomes cold. When water vapor reaches the cooler place, they start taking the shape of water again. It is called condensation.
When water vapor reach cooler places, they come near to each other and again change into water. It is called condensation.